Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some backgrounds I made. I am using some distress oxides as well as this stencil that I have from a Tim Holtz collection. I'm not sure where I got it from, but I'm just going to get some washi tape to hold that down. And I've assembled a few cards using this background. So I'm going to show you how I did the background first, and then I'll share with you the cards I ended up making. I've just used two colors from the same color family of distress oxides. I'm going to try this Lucky Clover and Cracked Pistachio. Those are the two I'll use. Let me get two blending brushes. Two different blending brushes, and I'll start with the darker one on the bottom and work my way up to the lighter one at the top. And so I just want to hold it down to make sure it doesn't shift either. And I probably just go in a diagonal pattern, maybe like this. I'm also cutting this panel down so I'm not worried about if the sides here get inked. But I'm just working the color in. That should be good. And we'll try the Cracked Pistachio. And just keep blending it around till you get the color effect you like. And so that's really simple. Just peel this back, and here's my background I've made using this, and I just washed this off with water. So let me share with you the cards I made using these backgrounds, and then I've pulled other things from my stash to make the card come together. I've used a lot of Stamps of Life's products. Let me just wipe this up real quick. Not that my mat is super clean, but let's not add to it. Okay, so here are the cards that I did get out of this. And I used an ephemera pack I received from a crafty friend. But you could see the background, the back page I used. So that one, here's another one. And that thank you I got, it's a Stamps of Life die, word die. And here's another one. I made these layer hibiscus flowers. I've posted a video about it. And then this one here, you are as sweet as can be. And this was a Stamps of Life card kit that we received a few months ago. Here's another thank you with the thank you die from the Stamps of Life, as well as these enamel gemmies on here. And this is the last one here. yeah, so those are my card shares. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards from this background, and so I hope you're having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!